it's me Dan and welcome back for another video. In today's episode, I will be unboxing and reviewing the Redmi Smart Band 2. And panoorin nyo until the end of the video para malaman nyo kung paano manalo nito. The Redmi Smart Band 2. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng Redmi na product. Based on my research, Redmi is a subsidiary company of Xiaomi at usually nasa Redmi yung kanilang mga affordable lineup. This Redmi Smart Band 2 is the global version. Kaka-release lang nito last Feb 6 here in the Philippines. It retails for 1,599 pesos, but nabili ko siya for only 1,299 because of their early bird price. Pero syempre, mas mura ko siya nabili only for 1,159 since sa Shopee ko siya in order and ginamitan ko siya ng shop voucher and platform voucher. Kaya ang laki rin ang na-save ko. This is available on Xiaomi stores and online. So, ilalagay ko yung link sa description box below kung gusto nyo ring mag-avail nito. Actually, kakabili ko lang ng Xiaomi Smart Band 7 last week. And so far, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Then, while browsing Facebook, nakita ko nga to, nakaka-release lang. So, I thought na i-review ko siya. And since malapit na ako mag-30k milestone dito sa YouTube, naisip ko na mamigay nito sa isang lucky subscriber ko. Kaya tapusin niyo yung video para malaman niyo kung paano kayo mananalo nito. This is what the box looks like compared dun sa Xiaomi Smart Band 7 na color black yung mga boxes nila. Redmi naman is color white. Then nakalagay lang dyan is Redmi Smart Band. Then dito yung Mi logo. And dito sa baba, Redmi Smart Band 2 ulit. And at the back, yung mga specifications niya. I got it in black nga pala and available din siya in ivory. Pero pwede naman kayong mag-avail ng mga straps sa shop nila. Mas madami pang available na colors. Pero right now, wala pang masyadong available na straps, na third-party straps sa Shopee. So, siguro pag medyo nagtagal, like the Xiaomi Smart Band 7, marami ng mga third-party na straps available and sobrang mumura lang nila. So, ngayon, i-unbox na natin siya. So, the Redmi Smart Band has a 1.47-inch TFT display. For its price, I understood na hindi nila ginawang AMOLED display itong Redmi Smart Band. 172 by 320 pixels, 247 ppi, 450 nits max brightness. It is approximately 10.5% larger screen than the Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Making it easier to read whether you are checking your messages or monitoring your heart rate or while working out. The Redmi Smart Band 2 nga pala uses the Mi Fitness app. It's already installed in my phone since I'm using Xiaomi Smart Band 7 nga. It's lightweight at 14.9 grams without the strap and 9.99 millimeters ultra slim body. Yung strap niya is TPU and available in 6 colors to match your style, whether it's casual or sporty. It's available in black, ivory, olive, pink, snazzy green, and blue. 100 plus band faces yung pagpipilian nyo to match your mood and outfit. Sobrang daming pagpipilian dun sa app nila. There's also 30 plus fitness modes such as outdoor running, yoga, hiking to help you achieve your fitness goals. It is also water resistant down to 50 meters. So meaning you can take it to your shower or while you are swimming. The Redmi Smart Band 2 also has 24-hour heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, and sleep quality monitoring. Its built-in high-precision PPG sensor tracks heart rate 24/7 and sends alert when abnormal heart rate is detected. Yung blood oxygen saturation monitoring is very helpful since may COVID pa rin naman ngayon. But disclaimer guys na gamitin nyo lang siya for personal reference only and not for strict medical purposes. It also provides detailed reports on your sleep patterns. It has magnetic charging with 14 days of extra long battery life, 14 days for light use, and 6 days for heavy use. Yan talaga yung nagustuhan ko dito sa mga smart bands and watches ng Xiaomi compared to other smart bands and smartwatches na tumatagal lang ng 1 to 2 days. Grabe yung 14 days ng Xiaomi with its 210 mAh battery. In less than 120 minutes or 2 hours, mafu-full charge mo na siya. This also tracks your activity, your stats, stress monitoring, and the female health management. You can also check the weather. Yung events nyo, pwede ring masync dito sa smart band. Yung music na pinaplay nyo sa phone nyo is pwede nyo i-control dito sa smart band. Pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin as a camera shutter pag wala kayong taga-picture. Alarm, stopwatch, and timer is also available. Etong Find Phone is also a very helpful feature dito sa smart band. Makikita nyo rin dito yung mga notifications such as incoming call, your text messages, and notifications from your social media apps. So, here it is guys, kapag suot ko na siya. Actually, medyo maluwag siya sa akin compared dun sa Xiaomi Smart Band 7 na although maliit yung wrist ko, is meron siyang level yung strap na nagkasya pa rin sa akin. While ito, medyo maluwag siya. Pero, sa totoo lang, kung fit siya, mas bagay siya sa akin kasi medyo mas maliit siya, pero mas malapad kaysa sa Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Overall guys, ang ganda nitong Redmi Smart Band 2. First na nagustuhan ko sa kanya is syempre yung price niya. Very affordable, bigger yung screen niya, and of course, yung battery life niya. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko talaga yung battery life niya. Yung cons naman na nakita ko dito sa Redmi Smart Band 2 is first, hindi siya AMOLED. TFT yung display niya. Mas mababa ng konti yung quality compared to the Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Pero kung hindi ka nakagamit ng Xiaomi Smart Band 7, hindi mo rin siya masyadong manonotice yung difference niya. And sobrang clear naman niya. Hindi naman siya pixelated. And then yun nga, hindi siya fit sa sobrang liit na mga wrist. Pero kung tama lang yung wrist mo, saktong-sakto to sa'yo. Adjustable naman siya. Wala rin siyang always on display kung yun yung gusto nyo sa mga smart bands or smartwatches, kung yun yung hinahanap nyo. Pero like me, hindi ko naman siya ginagamit kasi gusto ko lang na nakapatay lang siya pag hindi ko naman tinitingnan. So ako, hindi ko naman preferred na naka always on. Yun lang yung nakita kong cons niya, but overall, talagang nagustuhan ko siya. Kung fit nga lang to sa akin, hindi ko na to papamigay sa inyo. Sa akin na lang to. So guys, I would definitely recommend the Redmi Smart Band 2 if you're looking for affordable wearable or fitness tracker or smart band na talagang pasok sa budget. Ito na yan guys. Sobrang ganda niya. Ang dali lang din niya i-navigate, and also yung accompany niya na app, which is the Mi Fitness app. Sobrang dali lang din gamitin. And kung naka-iPhone ka naman, it syncs with the health app ng iPhone. Okay na okay siya. And now, para sa pinakahihintay nyo, for our giveaway, I will be giving away itong Redmi Smart Band 2 na to my one lucky subscriber. So, for the mechanics guys, number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel and like this video. Number 2, follow me on all my social media accounts. Ilalagay ko yung link ng mga social media accounts ko sa description box. Number 3, share this video to your friends. Kahit sa Facebook yan, sa wall mo, sa story, or kahit sa IG stories mo, basta i-share mo sa friends mo. And number 4, PM me on my Facebook page. Send nyo sa akin yung screenshot nyo nung steps number 1, 2, 3 nyo para malaman ko kung nagawa nyo yung mga nasa mechanics. Ganun lang kadali guys, pwede na kayong manalo nitong Redmi Smart Band 2. Gagamit lang ako ng random picker para pumili ng giveaway winner. So, sobrang dali lang talaga guys sumali. The winner will be announced on Feb 28 on my IG story, and also ipipm din kita kung ikaw yung nanalo. So, yun lang guys for today's video. I hope nakatulong itong video na to. Kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable smart band, wearable, or fitness band, the Redmi Smart Band 2 is sobrang sulit and sobrang ganda niya. If you find this video helpful, please do follow me on all my social media accounts. I'm Diane Salazar on Facebook, and it's Diane Salazar on TikTok and Instagram. And also, please do give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next videos. Bye!